Hey everyone, today I'm diving into Donald Trump's fiery speech at his recent Coachella Valley rally. Now if you're a conservative voter or just curious about the latest in American politics, this is for you. Trump didn't hold back. He started by blasting California's leadership. Trump labeled the US as an occupied country thanks to what he sees as flawed immigration policies. He went after Governor Gavin Newsom and Vice President Kamala Harris, blaming them for high taxes and the state's immigration challenges. And guess what? The crowd went wild, cheering his every word. But that's just the beginning. Trump didn't stop at immigration. He zeroed in on border security, a hot-button topic for his supporters. He condemned the Biden administration's handling of the border, advocating for stricter measures. He even brought up his controversial Aurora plan, which proposes mass deportation of undocumented immigrants. His message? Trump's way is the only way to secure the border effectively. The rally wasn't just about criticism, though. Trump had a lot to say about California's policies. He ripped into the state's environmental plans, particularly the push to phase out gas-powered vehicles by 2035. According to Trump, this is unrealistic and could harm the economy. And for many in the crowd, this message hit home. They see these regulations as government overreach. Adding a bit of star power, actor Dennis Quaid showed up. He drew comparisons between Trump and Ronald Reagan, praising their leadership and conservative values. This kind of celebrity endorsement only amped up the energy in the room. Through it all, Trump's message was clear. He promised to restore safety, prosperity, and national pride. He painted himself as the champion for those who feel unheard, and boy did the crowd respond. They see Trump as their voice, their fighter against what they perceive as the failings of liberal leadership. So, what does this tell us? Despite California's reputation as a Democratic stronghold, there's a significant segment of the population that resonates with Trump's message. Recent polls suggest a tighter race in some areas, signaling that the political landscape in California might be shifting. For conservative voters, Trump's rally was a call to action. It was about rallying the base, energizing supporters, and perhaps even swaying the undecided. As we look ahead to future elections, it's clear that Trump's influence remains strong. He's not just a former president, he's a significant force in American politics. That's it for now, folks. Stay tuned for more updates on the political landscape and how these developments might impact you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.